Dealing with messy CAD or scan data? Today we're looking at the QuadWild update for Quadify Ultra. This concept car has zero quad topology, making it impossible to edit, until now. The star of this update is the full Remesh workflow. Just select your messy object and hit full remesh. The algorithm automatically calculates a clean, uniform quad structure, turning a nightmare mesh into production-ready geometry in seconds. You now have total control with quality toggles. Use Draft for a quick preview, or Ultra for hero assets where you need to preserve every sharp edge and curve. Look at the roof. Even with complex aerodynamic lines, the flow remains perfect. The workflow is consistent across the entire model, from glass panels and hoods to the intricate treads on these tires. Quadify Ultra's QuadWild update is a massive time saver for any 3D artist. Stop fighting your topology and start creating. Grab the update at the link below.